This is the speed version of tomato, leek and onion soup. So we've got 4 tomatoes, 4 onions, a leek and some garlic. And what we're going to do now is speed chop. So here we go, all the garlic, chop this up into chunky bits, and we'll do the same with the onions. You'll notice I've got 2 red onions, which adds a bit of flavour to this soup. So same thing here, we'll speed chop up dice up the onions, and we'll do the same thing with the tomatoes, 4 fresh tomatoes, and some leek, beautiful leek this one. So we'll dice up that leek so it's nice and finely chopped, and then we'll saute this. We've got some heated oil in the pan here, and we're just going to saute this now with the turmeric and the cayenne pepper. Just soften it up a little bit, mix these herbs in with the oil just to soften the leek and onions down. And yeah, we've got some cumin seed, a teaspoon of that as well. That's pretty much all the spices in this soup, but you can add more if you like. And then in with the fresh tomatoes, the diced tomatoes from a can, which you can get away with on your detox, and some tomato paste. Beautiful high antioxidant tomato paste. It's excellent for your body. So we'll add some water to this. You can add as much water as you like to make as much soup as you like with this. And you can also puree this down if you like a smooth soup, but I like it nice and chunky. And a couple of extra things you can do with this recipe is, when you're serving it, is fresh coriander leaves. You could put some yogurt or sour cream on this if you like, just a little bit. But just as it is, it's a fantastic soup. Bit of salt and pepper, and away you go. So you go, that's the speed version of the tomato, leek and onion soup. Enjoy.